Hope everyone's doing well. My name is EQ, aka the Certified Gem Hunter, and welcome to Stonkaholics. Now, if you're in our Discord group or you're following us on TikTok or anything like that, and you saw some of our videos on Polker and got in, you might have seen 2 to 3x gains already, so congratulations on those profits. This is just the beginning for a project like Polker. However, there are some people that are starting to feel the FOMO because they didn't buy in yet. And I know that the process of buying it on MetaMask and through PancakeSwap can be a little tedious, so we're going to walk through the whole process today. But before we get into this video, if you could throw a like on the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, come check out our Crypto Accelerator program so you can get access to our premium Discord, our buy and sell signals, our academy, and much more. I'll be dropping that link in the description and the comments of this video, and you can also click above for that. Tickets are also on sale to Miami Crypto Expo, where I'm going to be teaching a workshop November 10th and November 12th in Miami, Florida. If you can't make it to the in-person event, there are also early bird tickets available to make it to the metaverse experience, so you'll be able to catch the entire expo and experience within the metaverse. So without further ado, let's get this video rolling. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you have a wallet set up that has some BNB in it. We're going to be using KuCoin for this example. You're going to want to make sure you have a MetaMask wallet installed and ready to go. And you want to make sure that you have PancakeSwap available. PancakeSwap.finance, I believe, is the website. Yeah, make sure you go to PancakeSwap.finance to make sure that it's the legit website. And you can go ahead and connect your wallet as well. You should see the wallet address up here once it's connected. So we're going to be looking at a test account that we have. You see we have a little under $300 in Binance on here. The first step you're going to want to do if you want to send this money to your MetaMask wallet so that you can buy Polker. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you're on KuCoin is make sure you have money available in your main account. And you're going to want to hit withdraw. When you get to withdraw, you're going to see something similar to this. It's going to ask you for the wallet address, the network, the BNB amount, and the remarks. So from here, you can go to your MetaMask. And when you click your MetaMask and you have everything set up, make sure that you're on the Binance Smart Chain as well. From here, you can copy your wallet address from the clipboard, and you'll be able to paste that wallet address into this area. Now, once you have this highlighted, you'll be able to click Network. It'll signal that you can't even use BEP2. You'll want to use BEP20. That's the right network to use. It'll give you a notice. That's fine. Now, we want to always send a test amount first before we actually send a large amount. In this case, the minimum withdrawal amount for BNB is going to be 0.02. So make sure you send this test amount to yourself first. Now you can see there is a fee of 0.01 BNB, so you're going to lose half of it, but this is a really small amount, so it's nothing to worry about. Once you go through this process, you'll be able to confirm and send yourself the test amount. Once you actually receive the test amount within your MetaMask wallet and go through the right steps, you'll be able to see the actual money sitting in your MetaMask wallet. That's when you know that you've done it correctly, and then you can go through and send the actual amount of money that you want to send to your MetaMask wallet so that you can buy Polker or really any project within the Binance Smart Chain, since they will all be available on the decentralized exchange through PancakeSwap. And also, if you have a Trust wallet and you're using a Trust wallet, it will work relatively the same, sending it from, let's say, KuCoin or Binance into your MetaMask or Trust wallet. And then you'll just have to connect your Trust wallet to PancakeSwap instead of connecting your MetaMask wallet. So once this is done and the money is received in your account, you can go ahead and go back to coinmarketcap.com. Make sure you're going to Polker, and you're going to see the contracts area. Now this one is the Ethereum contract. You're not using this. You want to hit the More drop-down menu, and you'll see Binance Smart Chain come up. Now this is the option you want to go to, and you'll be able to copy this to your clipboard. Now with this, you're going to go back to PancakeSwap. This is the home page. We'll go to Trade, go to Exchange. Now from here, you're going to see the option of BNB, and it's going to ask you to select your currency. From here, you can paste the address, which you see is Polker, added by Polker. This is so you can guarantee that this is actually Polker's bag. You don't want to get caught just typing in Polker and sending your money to a fake account or a scammer or a spammer or anything like that. So make sure you're grabbing this from either CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko or a reputable source where the company itself is actually giving you the contract. Don't just type in and search for Polker within PancakeSwap, because that's a really good way to get caught. Now once you see this Polker option available, you can see I already have a balance of 940, but if I wanted to add more, you could put 0.01 for example, and it'll tell you how much Polker you'll be getting for 0.01 BNB. Hit the swap button, go through the process of swapping. We can go do this together. Hit swap, confirm the swap. It'll ask you for the confirmations. It'll confirm with your MetaMask wallet. You'll see some gas fee information. That's fine. Hit confirm. The transaction will be submitted, and eventually you'll see this number go up once the transaction actually goes through. So here's the transaction receipt. We swapped 0.01 BNB for 26.5 Polker, and this number went up to 967 now, and you officially have Polker. Now you can actually look into your MetaMask wallet as well, go into your assets area, and you'll be able to see your Polker on this list. Here are some of the other ones that I'm holding in this wallet, just a kind of a graveyard, and some other things that I'm holding to practice and get into staking and NFTs and things that I do with other videos through YouTube. This is basically the way that you would get Polker, and by using BNB, you're going to cut your gas fees significantly because you're skipping out on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, the only downside to buying Polker this way is that you're not going to be able to stake it through the website. So if you're interested in staking Polker, unfortunately, you're going to have to buy it through the Ethereum blockchain. The process is going to be pretty similar, except for using PancakeSwap. You're going to use SushiSwap or Uniswap. Those would be your two best options. Even 1inch would work for that. And then you would go through their dexes and swap Ethereum into Polker, and then you'd be able to send that Polker to the Polker website and then upload for staking. Make sure to throw a like on this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and come check out our Crypto Accelerator program. And we'll catch you on the next one.